Okay, well, one more time on this refrigerator. I hate to keep beating this thing up, but I thought about a portable, and I've talked to Truck Fridge, and apparently a lot of people are using one of their fridges as a replacement, and so I feel comfortable that the Dometic, I'm going to pull it out and replace it with a compressor fridge that fits in the place of the Dometic refrigerator that's in here now. I hate to do it because it works, but that's what Holy God, you're going to make these people go through this again? You've got to make up your mind. What's it going to be? Portable or built-in? Figure it out and then do it. Holy crap. What was that? Well, anyway, that's what I'm going to try and do. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you think it'd help somebody else, share it with them. And always comment as you see fit. Till the next video, see you later. What was that?